behind that Chevy down at the end.
I see. Police officer,
halt! There's another one up there! Hi, partner. Having any trouble?
No. What happened here?
I caught him.
What happened to his face?
He ran into a post. Well, he was about ready to fall down anyway. He's not in very good shape.
You certainly must be.
I used to hit the hill with the best of them at the academy.
From the center?
I still do a couple of miles every morning. You know what, Reed? You're a closet chauvinist after all.
What do you mean?
The look on your face when you opened that car door. You didn't think I could really do it, did you?
Wrong. You could get the job done. I just didn't know how you were going to accomplish it.
I'll accept that. Right arm.
You two take care of the prisoners and keep a log. Here's the first one, please. We'll handle it.
Here's another one.
See any trouble?
No.
You stay here and give us a hand.
My partner's up there. Hold it right there!
Harlan? You're in trouble.
Put your hands on your head and take it easy, mister.